There's a couple of ways to make your trip to Versailles extra luxurious. First tip, catch an Uber. Buy a ticket online and in advance so you can get through admissions quickly.
So obviously I'm here for the history, but Andrew seems to be here for the renovation ideas. He says things like, you could put this in the bay window.
It's easy to get lost in the beauty of it all. The textures, the fabrics, the craftsmanship. Now, this was a special exhibit in relation to the passions of Louis XV, detailing hunting, botany, sciences, arts. This fireplace is spectacular. And like hundreds of other people, here I am trying to take a picture without hundreds of other people being in it. Okay, now this is important. The food at Versailles is delicious. Go to Angelina. It is wonderful. It's a French institution in and of itself. The pastries were so delicious. But also just the range of sandwiches, the teas. Yes, all of it.
Okay, so this is the club sandwich.
I thought mine was supposed to come with
I thought you got a
potatoes.
croque monsieur. Oh my god, this is just breathtaking. This is amazing.
After lunch, the first thing we did was rent a golf cart.
Palace, you can do that on the green spaces you see there.
Okay. Yeah.
And basically you can go, take the keys, visit and come back. You can do that anywhere on the red line.
Let's go, husband. All right.
Slow go.
Left.
If you enter the grove situated by nymphs and the horses of the sun, in a pre-romantic setting designed by Hubert Robert for Louis XVI and his queen, Marie Antoinette.
Hello, little squirrel.
This
He has a nut in his back.
which Louis XIV had built near the chateau.
Slow down.
This is one racing a
First
squirrel.
you can see is summer, personified with the four seasons, which are governed by the sun. A recurring theme filled with a flower, which had the power to enable her to conceive a child without...
It's a bit of a boring.
All right. Ready? Well, spring at least.
This would be wonderful.
On one side to the Grand Canal,
Wait. And then we rented a little boat.
I haven't done this in a while.
Well, since the last time you took me on an amazing date. No, don't put your kid on the swan. Oh, what are you doing? What? Oh, that is so dangerous. That is a terrible idea. That, oh my goodness. That, you know, if you did that to a Ballarat swan, it would have now eaten your child. Oh, now the kid, oh dear.
I'll be petrified of swans when he grows up.
Andrew's right, that kid's going to be petrified of swans when he grows up. Yes. So we're at Little Venice in Versailles. It's so beautiful. I mean, I feel for Andrew because he's been rowing for ages. White swans are not the colour approved choice of swan. Oh my god. Oh, that's pretty cool. Oh, it's green because the car's actually coming up. That's so cool.
We had tickets for this train ride, but I just decided to skip it. It wasn't necessary. Compared to the time when I went to Versailles as a student to now, the golf carts were a really nice touch. You just get to see a lot more of everything. Highly recommend.